Chabildas Public School up till 10th, and did my 11th and 12th in Vivekanand Public School, Delhi. Uh, I did take biology in 11th and 12th because I wanted to be a doctor. Uh, I had been a regular participant in competitions like art competitions, poem recitations, dramas, ad shows, uh, and after 12th, I had prepared for NEET exam in Akash Coaching. Uh, I could not succeed in getting MBBS, so I did my graduation in bachelor's in physiotherapy. Uh, now I am working as a freelancer and provide services to the patients who require physiotherapy at.
Okay, can you tell me something about new health policy which government of India is bringing?
Sir, new health policies like Ayushman Bharat have been worked all over the India. Uh,
What are the
uh,
major philosophical change between old health policy and new health policy?
Sir, old health
What is
policies focused more on relying towards the only towards the Western medications. Now, new modern policies have worked towards making of a new ministry department like Ayush, which supports Ayurveda, Yoga, Siddha, homeopathy, and Ayurvedic. That is the medical system of our own country. This also helps the people to escalate the health and remove the side effects that Western medicines have caused to us.
okay? So what are the key changes now? Not in the term of introducing only the Ayurveda and everything. What are the key changes in terms of implementing it?
Sir, the main key change is that the mentality of the people. People have slowly started to recognize that health is the priority and it must not be neglected. So the side effects that Western medicines have caused to the patients, that might be any of the allergic reactions or anything of that, that has helped people to gain a mentality that uh, medicines that don't have side effects can be used more appropriately. Uh, so people are not just thinking to cure themselves, they tend to be healthy.
So, do you know about the quality of doctors in India? Does anyone had any research done any research about the quality of doctors who are practicing in India? And what is there with how we can improve the quality of doctors which are being produced in Indian colleges or through Indian medical colleges?
Sir, I don't have a record or I haven't read any document about it. Uh, but I can say that private institutions pass the students just to make money and get the recognition of the people, so that more and more admissions could be given to the new students. Uh, in that race, quality doctors haven't been produced yet by them. So those doctors which these institute produce have a lack of information, lack of knowledge, and lack of clinical experience
Okay.
that
So,
might cause danger to the lives of the patient.
okay. So also tell me in that if you want to improve the quality of doctors, so what are the policy suggestions you would like to tell government?
Sir, as medical profession lies quite above because it deals with the lives of the people. So to get quality doctors, we must focus on the policies that uh, that will check the quality before they pass out of the college.
But
Like
they do check. No, there is an exam which is called MCI exam,
yes,
which
sir. I was just going to tell it. Yes, sir. This practice has started just recently, but earlier, which the doctors which had passed uh, might pose problem to but MCI, the guidelines that MCI has given about this is quite good. Uh, that I feel that was a requirement to produce a quality doctors in India.
okay. So what else you can do to improve the quality of doctors? So already who are already been passed, and those who are newly joining the medical institute.
Sir, the policies before admitting the students must be like that. They uh, uh, might be they should have interest in the medical field, and uh, they must they must have they must know that they are going to deal with the lives of the patients. So uh, they
So
must
okay,
acquire the greatest knowledge.
okay. Tell me, actually, in normal days, what disease kills most?
Sir, I wasn't able to get you.
In normal
Can you
days, like
repeat the
not in
question?
Corona days, which disease kills the
Yes,
most
sir.
people who are in India?
Sir, recently there has been a transition from communicable disease to non-communicable disease, uh, like the heart disease and strokes and diabetes. These cases have been reported
So
in
can you
quite a
mention
high number recently.
the name of the disease which kills most number of people who are dying with disease?
Sir, cancer has been detected as the most life-taking disease in the
India.
in India too.
So do you have the data or you are just observing it?
Sir, I had read it somewhere.
Where?
Uh, Sir, I was going through the internet when I was reading about the transition of the disease. I read it.
So don't you verify the site that you read, or don't you verify the author, or don't you verify the research paper where you read these data?
No,
So you are a professional. You must not believe everything that is written on internet. So have you visited in your area? Have you visited any hospital recently?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which hospital is well?
Sir, Sarvodaya Hospital is nearby to my home. Yashoda Hospital.
So and these are the private hospitals.
These are the private hospitals.
Okay. So tell me any good point as in what was the good thing at Yashoda Hospital?
Uh, Sir, good point at Yashoda was that they were asking the patients and the people to follow social distancing. Even they had made markings on the ground so that each of them could be treated separately, and there were signboards uh, at few distances, at few feet apart, to make people notice those, and patients.
So have you been to government hospital? Any
Yes, sir.
government? So what was the major change?
Not recent.
Not recently, but any time, last year or second, last year.
Yes, sir.
So what are the major differences did you find between a government hospital and a private hospital?
So the major changes are that
Major differences. Hmm?
major difference.
Hmm.
Sir, in a government hospital, I had been to RML Delhi.
Hmm.
So the quality of the machines and the quality of the therapists and doctors were quite good, as they had been treating a lots of patients daily on daily basis for years. In private hospitals, there is a drawback that they only tend to take out the money of your pocket just because you are going to admit there, just from the admitting of the patient till the discharge. Uh, Private hospitals had uh, less crowd than the government hospitals. Uh, Government hospital has been in reach of the poor people ever since, uh, with great qualities and technology and machines.
Okay, matlab, are you saying that government hospital uses better machinery than hospitals?
Sir, I cannot tell about the other hospitals. I can tell you about RML because I have visited that only in the government hospitals.
So what kind of health infrastructure that Delhi government has? What is the health infrastructure which Delhi government provides to its people?
Sir, Delhi government has good health infrastructure and a quality doctors are available there. Even they work in shifts. Um, Special care has been taken of cleanliness in the hospital. Like,
How many specialized hospital is there in Delhi government?
sir, I don't have idea about that, but there are approximately six hospitals,
Six specialized hospitals.
specialized hospitals.
So what are the layers of hospital that Delhi government have?
Sir, I didn't get you.
What are the layers, different layers of hospital, primary, secondary, and tertiary, like
Yes, sir.
treatment? So what is the structure of these healthcare mechanism for
Sir,
Delhi
Delhi
government?
has got all the three of the hospitals, like primary, secondary, and tertiary. That is normal specialty, super specialty hospitals, and Delhi has even got mohalla clinics in various uh, streets of the in various streets to make the availability of the doctor better to the people.
So what is ESIC scheme of Delhi government?
Sir, ESIC scheme. Hello,
ESIC scheme.
sir. I don't have an idea about that.
Okay.
It is just employees insurance scheme that is that has been said.
So given a chance to given a chance to contribute in health policy for a state like Delhi, what major change would you like to do in current practice?
Uh, Sir, in current practice, sir, Delhi government has not taken the stand of the Ayushman Bharat, which was in the favor of the poor people. Instead, the CM of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, set up for the mohalla clinics. According to me, the health policy must not see a political stand. Uh, that is what is in the favor of the poor people must be applied and accomplished. So Ayushman Bharat scheme and Mohalla clinic scheme should work side by side, and we could get a more better results.
Okay. So tell me how your physiotherapy subject is going to help in learning hospital administration or being a part of hospital administration course.
Sir, as a physiotherapist, I had been posted in various hospitals in UP, and I did my internship from RML in Delhi. So I have seen the setups of hospitals so closely and worked in them about for about a year, because as 6 months I had been posted, and for 6 months I did my internship. So I can use all the experience that I had there to apply that in the field of hospital administration.
So tell me, what would you contribute in the class?
Uh, so, sir, will you please repeat the question?
So if you get selected for the program, what will be your contribution to the pro class?
Okay. Sir, there are several points that the hospitals lack in the administration. Uh, that even the government hospitals aren't under the reach of the poor people, as they are too financially weak that they could not afford to travel to the government hospitals. So uh, the lack of administration lies there, that government hospitals should organize camps organize health camps and work with the NGOs to reach the people out there. So what I would like to change in the policies of the hospital, that I'll make a regular arrangement of organizing a health camp within the social sectors of the society that aren't able to reach the hall, even to the government hospitals.
Okay, ठीक है, thank you अक्षय. अक्षय, तुम पहले तो अपना डेटा वेटा सब सही करो. तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी रियल टाइम डेटा नहीं है, मतलब जैसे
ठीक है सर,
बीमारी का, हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का, है ना. और क्वेश्चन तुम कहीं से भी रिस्पॉन्ड करने लगते हो. जब मैंने तुम्हें बोला दिल्ली का हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बताओ, तो तुमने बोला गुड है. गुड है मतलब क्या होता है? देयर इज नथिंग गुड और बैड. तुम बोलोगे ना कि दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के पास सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स है, फिर मिडिल लेवल हॉस्पिटल्स है, फिर उसके बाद प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स है, फिर मोहल्ला क्लिनिक है, फिर उसके बाद ये इनका ESIC भी है. ESIC का भी तुम्हें पता नहीं है. फिर तुम्हें डिजीज का रैंकिंग, कौन सी डिजीज सबसे ज़्यादा किल करती है, कौन से तरह के लोगों को इम्पैक्ट करती है, अपने एरिया में जो तुम्हारा हेल्थ इशूज वो है वो क्या है, प्राइवेट और गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स के प्रोसेसेस में क्या डिफरेंस है. तुमने सिर्फ डॉक्टर के क्वालिटी, मशीनरी ये सब बता रहे थे, बट तुम्हें ये बताना पड़ेगा कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जो है वो गवर्नमेंट की सब्सिडी से चलती है, तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ क्राउड देयर, तो मैनेजमेंट थोड़ा वीक हो जाता है ना, क्योंकि जो प्रॉब्लम है वो बताओगे, फिर उसको सॉल्व करना है. तो ये सब अभी हम अपलोड कर दे रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन, उसको रिफ्रेम करो पहले अच्छे से, ठीक है. फिर तुमसे लास्ट में पूछा कि व्हाट विल बी योर कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द क्लास, तो तुमने फिर वो बोलने लगे तुम, और ये अलग चीज की पॉलिसी में क्या चेंज होगा. तुम्हारा कंट्रीब्यूशन तो तुम बोलोगे ना कि मैं फिजियोथेरेपी ग्रेजुएट हूँ, तो आई नो ऑल अबाउट मेनी थिंग अबाउट द फिजियोथेरेपिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ हेल्थ केयर, सो आई कैन कंट्रीब्यूट द क्लास विद दैट नॉलेज.
सर वो क्वेश्चन घूम के आ रहे थे, तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान दिया करो, और हिंदी में बोलो ना. तुम्हें क्या दिक्कत है हिंदी में बोलने में? अगर तुम्हें दिक्कत लग रहा तो बीच में स्टार्ट करो इंग्लिश से, जस्ट शिफ्ट टू हिंदी, ठीक है. और पहले डेटा सही करो. तुम हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, तुम इधर इतने दिनों में, अमन सर की भी क्लास थी, तो बार बार डेटा भेजा जा रहा था डिजीज का, पॉलिसीज का. तो तुम न्यू हेल्थ पॉलिसी में तो चलो ठीक है, तुमने एक पॉइंट अच्छा बोला कि हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल हेल्थ के जो वो हैं सिस्टम्स हैं उनको भी रीडेवलप करना चाहते हैं, है ना। और हम प्रिवेंटिव पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हैं अब हेल्थ केयर में, नॉट अबाउट जस्ट मेडिकेयर, है ना।
जी सर।
फिर वो रीच बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं, ये सब चीज़ें हैं। थोड़ा और पढ़ लो इसको, क्योंकि बहुत कम कम बता रहा हूँ, इट्स वेरी वो। बाकी अपनी स्ट्रेंथ भी आइडेंटिफाई करो। फिर एज अ फिजियोथेरेपी, मतलब फिजियोथेरेपी विल हेल्प यू वेयर, इसमें थोड़ा सा देखो, है ना। क्योंकि अगर हॉस्पिटल्स फिजियोथेरेपी को फुल फ्लेज यूज नहीं करते हैं तो पेशेंट का जो रिहेबिलिटेशन टाइम है वो बड़ा हो जाता है ना।
जी
तो छोटा रिहेबिलिटेशन टाइम होगा तो लोग खुश होंगे, हॉस्पिटल पे बर्डन कम होगा, हॉस्पिटल का ब्रांड बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। तो इस तरह की कई चीजें हैं। तो आज और कल और उमंग का जो भी है, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को रिफ्रेम करो, जवाब हिंदी में करना है हिंदी में करो, अंग्रेजी में करना है अंग्रेजी में करो, बट इसको करो अभी,
ठीक है
ठीक
सर,
है। मैं
करता हूँ।
कोशिश करता हूँ अभी 5 मिनट में अपलोड कर देने का, ठीक है, वरना
ठीक है
2 बजे
सर।
से क्लास होगा तो फिर मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा, तो फिर बहुत लेट हो जाएगा अपलोड करने में, ठीक है।
नहीं नहीं सर, मैं अभी कर लेता हूँ।
ठीक है,
ओके
मैं
सर।
अब करता हूँ, तो मैं
थैंक यू।
थोड़ा